Before we continue with the first floor, let's adjust the stairs we scanned earlier so they match the real layout. We'll also move the wall into its correct position. Here we go. Now we can head upstairs. We add a new floor to our project and start scanning the bedroom. Take your time if you want to scan all the details, such as doors, windows, and furniture. If a piece of furniture is not being scanned properly, you may be too close. Just take 2 steps back and keep moving around with your device, but not too quickly. Before moving into the adjacent room, we stop the scan. This makes the process easier and helps achieve better scanning results overall. We add a closet, and after completing the scan for this room, we move into the bathroom. I avoid scanning the opening that leads into the bedroom so I don't scan the same room twice. I follow the edge of the opening and continue along the walls. Now, I move into the second part of the bathroom. If there are any water damage issues, we can record those as well during the scan. We found a damaged area, so we take a few photos and add voice notes to document the issue.
We have some water damages near the bathtub on the wall here. We need to check if we have other damages in other rooms, perhaps downstairs, and check also the floor.
We complete the scan. If you see a few small orange lines in the room miniature, it's perfectly fine. And then we'll see you in the third and final video, linked below.